Hello everyone, welcome back to TidyStat YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform this row table into an interesting simple bar chart like this. Okay, so let's get into it. In this example, I have Human Development Index data that I got from undp.org. You can also use the same exercise by download it in the description box if you want. And first, let's convert the index into percent like this. Let's type equal here and then use the same value for the HDI in percent column, and then let's convert it into percent. Okay, after that, for the initial round, let's just make it 4% like this. Type 4. Okay, and for the main graph, let's subtract the HDI in percent value to the initial round. Okay, after that, for the ended round, let's just make it also 4%. And for the rest, you can type equals 1, subtract the initial round, subtract the main graph, and subtract the ended round. Okay, like this. And for the total, it must be 100%, like this. If you got more than 100%, maybe you did it wrong. Okay, for the rest, and then for the total, like this. Okay, the preparation is done. So first, let's make a raw stacked bar chart. First, let's select all the data here that we need. Okay, and then go to insert the bar chart, and at the 2D bar, let's select 100% stacked bar. Okay, first let's delete the unwanted items that we don't want. First, let's delete the legend, the x-axis label. Okay, also let's delete the actual value of HDI, the graph here, we don't need it. Click the blue graph and then press delete. Also the HDI in percent value, we also don't need it, so click the orange graph and then press delete. Okay, after that, let's change the shapes of the initial round graph into the half circle shapes. Okay, to do this, go to insert, shapes, and then at the flowchart tab here, select the flowchart delay here. Okay, let's draw the chart like this. Okay, and the shape format here, let's make the color turn to green, and then let's make it have no outline. Okay, and then let's turn these shapes for 180 degree. After that, press Ctrl C and click the initial round graph here, and then right click or press Ctrl V. Okay, you are successfully changed the initial round graph into the half circle shapes. After that, let's click the main graph and change the color into green. Click it for the whole graph like this. Right click and then click Format Data Series. Okay, let's make the chart bigger by reducing the gap width. Let's change it into 75%. Okay, it's much better now. And then let's change the color into green, the same color as the initial rounded shape. Okay, let's make it green like this, and then let's make it have no line. Great, now we are halfway to finish this shape. After that, for the ended round, let's also change the shape and the color. To do this, click this shape and then turn this shape 180 degrees and then change the color into light gray. Okay, just like this. After that, click the shapes again, press Ctrl C and then click the graph of the ended round and then press Ctrl V. Great. After that, for the rest graph here, let's also change the color. Click the whole graph, right click and then Format Data Series. Okay, and then for the color here, let's make it solid fill and then change the color into the light gray as the ended round. Okay, now we have the same color for the initial rounded and then the ended rounded. After that, let's change the order of the y-axis here, like the table, because if you turn this table into the chart, the Excel automatically make the first items of the table into the last item of the chart like this. The Poland is the number 1 in the table, and if the chart becomes the bottom of the chart. So to change the order, click the vertical axis like this, right click, and then click Format Axis. Okay, after that, let's add the axis position. Let's change it by choosing the categories in reverse order option. Okay, just click the close option. Also, I forgot to remove the grid line, so let's remove it. Let's make the chart bigger. Okay, click the grid line like this and press delete. After that, we also don't need the y-axis label, the country names here, and then let's also delete it. After that, let's add the label for the chart. We will add the HDI value and also the country name. To do this, click the initial round graph, right click, and then add data labels like there. It shows the percent automatically, but we will change this percent into the country name. Right click in this percentage display, and then click Format Data Label. Okay, and then let's check the category name. Okay, and then uncheck the value and also uncheck the show leader line. On the label position, let's make it inside this. Okay, just like this. After that, let's press the Ctrl B to make it bold and change the color into white. And you can also make it bigger by changing the font size. Let's make it 10. Let's also add the data label to the chart. Click the rest graph here, right click, and then add data label. After that, let's move it a bit, and then click the data labels again, right click, and then format data labels. After that, let's click the value from cells options, and then select the data label range because we will show the HDI actual value. Let's select it like this, and then press OK. After that, let's uncheck the value and uncheck the show leader lines. And for the label position, let's make it inside this. Okay, just like this, and then press Ctrl B to make it bold, and then change the size into 10. Great. Now let's change the chart title also. Okay, click the chart title, double click it, and then press Ctrl A, and then add function editor, type equal, and then select the cell reference here. Okay, now let's move it into the left side like this, and then change the color into black. After that, press Ctrl B to make it bold. After that, let's add the source box at the bottom of the chart. Click the chart area and then click insert, and then select the text box here, and then draw the text box below the chart like this, and then add function editor, type equal, and then select the cell reference. Okay, now press Ctrl B to make it bold, and then let's tidy the position of the chart. I'll make it like this, and for the source, let's move it just like this. Okay, you can also change the color here into the white, make it really white, and the levels of the value make it really black. Okay, for the last touch, you can also dismiss the outline of the chart. Right click and format chart area, and after that, for the border, let's click no line. Congratulations, you have successfully created a simple bar chart using a more advanced technique and make it more beautiful and more interesting to see. That's it. See you in the next video.